Queen, so I just got done doing this standing ab walking workout, and it got your gut working. My core is engaged.
Myself, I can control myself.
Hey Fit Queens, and welcome back to Home Workouts with DejaFit, the best YouTube channel for at-home workout. And today we have another walking workout. We have another standing ab walking workout. You're going to be using some weights, light weights. Weights are optional, but if you want more of a burn, go ahead and grab some weights, 8 to maybe 5 pounds. That's it. That's really all you need. No more than that. If you're more advanced, feel free to up those weights though. And also, do not forget to tag me on Instagram, ladies, okay? If you're not following me on Instagram, you need to be following me, okay? There's no excuses. Follow me on Instagram. Follow me. In my stories, I post every day. You get to follow me around, get some behind the scenes of what I'm doing for the Fit Queen team. Also, I love reposting y'all to my stories and showing y'all off. So make sure you tag me and put me in your stories. All right, ladies, let's go.
Here's what I like. Laying on the beach with sunlight in my eyes, laughing with my friends under the sky, following our hearts so then we take a ride. Wherever, I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. 'Cause I don't wanna fight pieces wood, I'm not backing down. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. Here's what I like. Jumping from a roof that is almost too high, laying on the grass, I close my eyes, playing my guitar till my fingers are numb. I always try to let my spirit fly, fly away. That's the only way to get that high, high, always. If you're looking for trouble, you better count on it. I will give you a struggle, give you a struggle. If you're looking for trouble, I am the needle who will push your bubble, yeah. you're the only reason. Baby, you're the answer to my prayers. Feeling like the world's in our hands. Now I know that this is meant to be. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason I am free. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason I am free. You and I could run away now. You and I could be on our way. Pack our bags and take this love to a different place now. Yes, you and I could be on our way. And just when you whisper in my ear, words only meant for me to hear. Promise that your secrets stay with me. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason. Baby, you're the answer to my prayers. Feeling like the world's in our hands. Now I know that this is meant to be. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason I am free. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason I am free. You're the only reason, yes, you're the only reason I am free.
I got this feeling like it's starting now, starting now. I feel adventurous with you. And there is nothing that can hold us back, hold us back. We can do what we wanna do. Cause we got all the time in the world. For better or worse, we should stay together. So let's stay young and in love. We should focus on us forever. Yeah, baby, if you are feeling like I do, we could run away across the ocean. Baby, what you say? We can leave today. Anywhere we'll go, we'll be alright. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you. It's all about you.
space. Prisoner in your own home that ain't great. But I know that you and me are safe. We'll finally get away.
Maybe I'm a bird following the seasons. This is what I've learned. I'm different for a reason. Kept the engine on, never stay too long. I'm alright, I don't mind being restless. Something in your eye made me stay up night. I can see you are different too. Love me like a stranger, like a melody flowing wild and free. Love me like a stranger, let it be unique. Run away with me. Love me like a, love me like a, love me like a, love me like a stranger. Maybe you're a bird singing for believers, a song meant to be heard, but never meant for preaching. I don't know where you're gonna head off to, but I know that you'll go where your heart's at. You might cross the sea, what will be